And it's a simple question, but it's the most powerful question that you can ask in your meetings, in your Zoom calls, in your brainstorms. The what if question. It's so easy, and yet it's so powerful. All right, so here's your first takeaway for today. And let's see how this works. Our humble fan hasn't changed for the last 50 years. It still has a motor, it has some blades on it, and it has a cage to protect. And although many companies have done sort of little changes, incremental changes to this, fundamentally this hasn't changed. Well, you might have lighter blades, you might have more powerful motors, remote controls have been added, bigger, maybe 18-inch blades, but those are just incremental changes, right? But one company comes along and say, what if a fan didn't need blades? What if the way we move air is different? And we all know the answer to that. And why would we pay $600 for a fan today? Apparently we do, and Dyson's a very successful company. What if? But it challenges existing paradigms, it challenges everything we do. It's a simple question. We get into that meeting and say, what if? Today, most courier companies, and we are using a lot of the courier companies today, everything we buy is online mostly and delivered to us. A lot of companies today are looking at how can we make that last mile very efficient. That last mile delivery is absolutely key. Drivers, using GPS's accuracy, how do we deliver that last mile? But a company came along and said, what if we don't need delivery vehicles? What if we don't need this conventional way of delivering stuff, right? This is how our stuff's going to be dropped in the next few years. It's already started, right? So it's about reinvention. It's about what if we don't need. A lot of us get stuck with working on what we have, the current problem. And while we're getting stuck at that main problem, we have to think about, do we even need this? Wow, that's powerful. Do we even need this? There's another way to do this, right? What if we did it differently? I think we're looking at it too micro. Let's think about it bigger. What if we didn't do this? The way you measure, success in restaurants, or you want to increase your profits, is by covers, right? You increase your area, and so you have more outlets, and that's the traditional way of doing that. But what if we didn't need restaurants? What if we delivered food and created brands that people have there's no physical outlet? It's through cloud kitchens today. Now, pills. A lot of us today have our parents or even us, we're taking multiple different pills for our various issues that we have. And this is a problem. What if we don't need to take multiple pills? NUS today is working on 3D printed pills that be able to design your medication for you. So you have 5 different pills in one. And now that's powerful stuff. What if every car company was looking to make the car more advanced or more comfortable or more amazing for the driver? It was all around the driver. The cockpit was the key thing, right? But there's a company that came across and said, what if there is no driver? What if we took the driver out of the equation? Right? What if? Right? And that was the first Google car, and that's what it is, right? And this now has spawned a whole new industry of autonomous vehicles, and in the next 5 years, a lot of our cars are going to be driverless. What if you took the driver out? So think about this question, my friends. How many of us are going into brainstorm meetings after this session, today, this week, and going in and looking at doing some incremental things to your companies, to your processes? How many of you are going to ask this question? What if we didn't do this? Now, once you ask that question, we have to have a few other things in place to be able to transform things in your company. But it starts with this question. What if we didn't do this? What if we are stuck with these processes for too long? What if we change this? What if there's another way for us to get this customer this? What if there's another way to get this feedback? What if there was another way to do this? What if? Learn to use this question, my friend. It is a powerful innovation enabler.